Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So if you are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comment, and also follow the Telegram channel. I'll put the link in the comment section. So let's see what we'll be expecting next on GBPUSD. So you can see that at first the movement was an uptrend move. You can clearly see that markets literally gave us higher series of higher high and an higher low, which it eventually gave us a bullish move. Right now, market is giving us a bearish move structure. So we can clearly see something like this: lower low, lower high. Here comes the lower low. So what do we expect next on GBPUSD? So we should be expecting a lower high. So above all, for the next movement would be a bullish move. So we should be expecting GBPUSD to at least come to a level of 36,100. That should be our level on GBPUSD. So we're expecting a bullish move to come to tap at least a level of 36,100. Once it taps that level, then I'll give you guys an update next on what we should be expecting on GBPUSD.